What's up, SellerAmp Nation? Father's Day deals are raging for Amazon Online Arbitrage, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through step-by-step how to find tons of profitable products with some of the Father's Day sales going on. And if you're new to SellerAmp, welcome. We're an online retail and wholesale arbitrage tool for Amazon sellers to help you save time, money, and find more profitable products fast. Let's hop inside my screen and do some live Amazon Online Arbitrage product research. So we're here on the Adidas homepage. I've personally had a lot of success selling Adidas products on Amazon, and I know every holiday that comes around, they typically have a pretty good sale. And I also saw on Capital One Shopping here, there's an additional 30% off full price and sale products. We can get a pretty good additional discount on top of the markdowns that already exist. And based off my previous success, having made money on Adidas.com, I know this is a good opportunity to potentially go ahead and manual source and find products on the Adidas website that we think are going to be profitable, selling for double or more on Amazon. Well, we can pick them up for on the Adidas website. Opportunities that we could then go ahead and place a test order to ourselves, then ship them off in bulk to the Amazon FBA warehouse. So to start out, when I'm doing manual sourcing, I like to click into the sales section of a website. We can go to like all men's sale, for example. And remember here, guys, we're getting an additional 30% off here using this code HOT deal right here. Now, what I like to do is we can see there's 1,700 listings that fit this criteria of being on sale that we can use this 30% off code. Presumably, occasionally some websites will show certain items excluded from promos. Doesn't appear to be the case on a lot of the stuff here. What I like to do is then I'll go ahead and hit filter and sort. We could hit like top sellers, for example. Right. And now what we want to do is factoring in an additional 30% off here. We want to go ahead and identify what we think could see selling for double or more on Amazon. So for example, these NMDs here, picking them up for like 63. I could see those maybe selling for like 120, right? These white shoes, picking them up for like 25. I could totally see those selling for like 50 bucks. These, I don't really think I could see selling for $200. These, I don't really think I could see selling for 90 bucks, right? And obviously, I'm going to miss stuff naturally. That's a part of doing product research, right? But we just want to scroll through here and figure out stuff that we could see selling for double or more on Amazon. And then we're going to go ahead and reference over to Amazon and see what's nice and profitable. So for example, these at like 28, I could see those being good, right? TR shoes, these, oh, at 48. Okay, 48 minus 30, that looks pretty good. Right here, let's see, like 11 bucks for these slides, I think looks totally good. Right here, Stan Smith shoes at 60. Not personally, don't think those will be good here. Let's see, Idolette slides at like 12. You can totally see those being good. Right there, let's see. These are very, very inexpensive too, like 25 bucks right there. So what I'll typically do is just scroll through and open up a bunch of SKUs and then dig in, checking over to Amazon and seeing what's nice and profitable. So for example, in this case, we can see certain sizes are already out of stock on these, and I think this sale started today, so that's probably a pretty good sign here. So let's go ahead and plug these in, see what we can do here. Let's see. Adidas TR racers. Okay, so right off the bat here, assuming those are the same thing, this does look nice and promising here. So let's go ahead and open these up, see what we can do here. So let's see. So we are at, 52.80 right here. And I have sales tax factored in on SellerAmp. So the numbers we see on the SellerAmp calculator are after shipping, fees, product costs, literally everything. Right, so we can see they got a size 9 right here. So let's go ahead and plug in a size 9 and see what we can do. They got a ton of different sizes. Right, so we can see these are currently buy boxing at 60 bucks right here. So if we plug in that $36 price point, these are not good, right? $5 profit, 13% ROI, not the type of stuff I'm super looking for. However, guys, remember we have that additional coupon code right here, the hot deal code, right? Which is going to get us another 30% off here. So if we go ahead and plug in times 0.7 on SellerAmp here, now this SKU becomes 25 bucks into 60, which is a nice $16 profit and about a 63% return on investment right there. So now this does become a good product purely based from a profit perspective. We need to go ahead and make sure on the individual keep a chart for this item that this item's nice and profitable over time. So we can see, taking a look here, we can see this is nice offer count movement up and down. We know sellers are going out of stock on a product like this. We can see the competition looks like it's been pretty stable here as well, past like 2 weeks or so, right? And we can see prices trending down a little bit, but at a big ROI, even after shipping, fees, etc., this probably does end up being a pretty good product here. And we'll take a look at some of these other sizes as well and see if they're also good. But that first one was totally good at 25 and a 60. Looks like this next one, 25 here into 52. Honestly, probably is still, yeah, actually $10 profit there, $9 profit. We could also look on Card Bear and Top Cashback and see if there's a discounted gift card we can snag on this too. Say we get another 6% off here. That juices the ROI a little bit more. Amazon isn't in stock on this product, but we are going to go ahead down here and see if Amazon's sharing the buy box, which we can see, considering the off counts nicely going up and down here. We can see that's totally the case. Probably want to take a look at some of the other colors and sizes here too, but that was a very good first product here. Rare to be 1-for-1. Check some of those other sizes too, but that's not a bad place to start. And now that we have an example of a winning online arbitrage product, now what you could do on your own if you're newer to sourcing is scroll down here and take a look inside the storefronts of these other sellers. Just go ahead and click and open right here. Now we can see all the different brands they carry, categories they carry using the storefront stalking method on top of manual sourcing, which is what we're doing in this video. So that was a good first product here. Let's see, we got these slides here. Let's see, Adidas Agua slides, black, white. Looks like they got some of the smaller ones right here. Let's see, Adidas. Right here, let's see what we got. All right, so we got these right here. Let's see, so we got some smaller size, yeah, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, etc. Let's see, size 6 right here. Okay, no buy box here. 28, okay, so let's check this out. So we're here at 18, right? And then we want to go ahead and take 30% off that, right? So at 18 into 28.95 is the lowest price currently. So we can see this is 23 right here. I wonder why they're not displaying that. They might be charging shipping right there. Let's see. Okay, I don't think that's the case. Yeah, they're not. They're FBA. Okay, I don't know why it showed 28. So let's check this other size. That's not quite going to be good there. Let's see a size 5 right here. This one's 25 here. Yeah, and look at this. So this goes right up to 33 right after. We're going to see right here. So if we're here at let's see. So 25, 18, we would lose $3 per unit. Not a fan of that. Let's take off that 30% here. We're getting close. Even with a discounted gift card, we're not quite there. So unfortunately, that's going to be a pass. Let's check this size 7 and size 8 here. Yeah, no buy box on a lot of this stuff. Don't automatically avoid stuff that doesn't have a buy box, though. Let's see, 24 right here. We'll try size 8 too. Let's see. Aha, here we go. Okay, so we can see, yeah, $30 right here. So we're here at 18, right? That's just about break even. However, we could take off that 30% code. Boom. And then we could also discount a gift card that using Card Bear or Top Cashback right here. And now this is a good SKU, assuming the Cuba chart looks good, which let's check if that's the case here. Rock solid stability here, guys. See how that price is really, really consistent right there. And we can see nice offer count movement up and down. So we know sellers are going in and out of stock of this product too. So that's not a bad item right there. Let's go ahead and plug these in. So we got these all black ones too here. Let's see. Go ahead and pull these guys in on Amazon search here. Black, Adidas Adilet slides. Let's see. Okay, yeah, they got like 57,000 reviews. These are absolutely pumping here. Let's see. Let's check like a size 7 here. No buy box here. 33. Okay, wow. So this is presumably looking very good. Yeah, US size 7 women's here. Size 7 women's. Okay. So let's see. So we're here at 15. Right? Even that's good without the coupon, honestly, but we plug that in right there. Not a bad product whatsoever. And then we'll go ahead and see. We can see nice offer count up and down movement there. So we know this listing actually sells. Not bad whatsoever. This sells popping, right? That extra coupon makes a huge difference. Let's see. Let's go ahead and plug these in. Navy. Rare to have a hit rate this high when you kind of know what to look for. You spend a lot of time storefront stalking. You end up opening up a lot of stuff you already know does well on Amazon, and then you just have to make sure it's good. Let's see, TR Racing, yeah, 33 right here. Okay, so it's probably almost certainly not going to work. We'll check. We'll take a look at a couple sides on these guys though. Let's see, 38. Okay, definitely not. Okay, we'll take a look at a couple sides here, but most likely probably not good at all. Let's see, yeah, 33 again. Okay, that was incredibly cheap, so we're not going to worry about those here. Let's see, Adidas Advantage shoes. Let's see right here. Yeah, these racquetball. Okay, Adidas Advantage shoes. Let's see. We want these white, cloud white, green ones here. Let's see. Okay, I don't think $70 here actually. Okay. So let's see. Yeah, okay, this could totally be good here. Let's see. Are these the same thing? Got the they got the tag right there too. Got the tag right there as well. Okay, I think these are good. Let's see. Adidas Advantage shoes. Let's see, and you always want to, really, really closely match up the pictures, make sure stuff is the right thing here. We can see it's 70 here. Let's see. Take a look at those here. Let's see, it's got those like scales basically right there. Looks pretty similar right here. Okay, let's see. So yeah, Adidas Advantage tennis shoe, Adidas Advantage shoes. Yeah. Okay, nice, sweet. So we can see, yeah, white, green. Okay, so let's see. So we're here at 39, right? Take off 30% right there. Very nice and profitable. We definitely want to make sure this is the right thing here. Check like all the stitching and everything. Let's see, show more right here. Let's see, you want to take a look at those. Make sure that stitching matches up. Got the 2 right there. Looks like it does right there. So that was a nice profitable product too, assuming the chart checks out, which we can see in this case. Definitely a slower mover. Not as much up and down action on something like this, but that is not bad whatsoever there. Let's see. Check these guys out. And that's the cool thing too, is we got 1,700 products just in the men's ones to look up from here, right? So there's going to be a lot of, other good items to look at too as you scroll through here, right? You know what I mean? So like, for example, these guys look good. Some of those other ones up there looked good too, right? We can go ahead and plug in, more and more of these and, come to the conclusion here. So these guys are not in stock. I bet you these are good if they're out of stock. Let's look just for future reference, because what you can do in this case is add these to an out of stock spreadsheet in SellerAmp to come back and take a look at in the future. So if we see right here, so let's see, yeah, 10.5 right here. Let's see, so we're here at 51, right? Then we can pick this up for 35 minus 30% off, right? So we go ahead and plug this in. Boom. Yeah, very nice and profitable there. Not incredible, right? But if we plug in that discounted gift card here too, say we get another 6% off right there, for example, right? This becomes, 45% ROI. Not bad right there. And we'll take a look at these other sizes too, right? You know what I mean? Some of the other sizes might be more expensive here, right? And so yeah, 53, pretty much, right? More expensive, right? And we see, holy crap. Okay, so this one's really, really good. We're assuming it's actually selling up here, which we will take a look down here and see if that's the case. Yes, Amazon's on this, but the offer count's going up and out. Like we know Amazon's sharing buy box on something like this, right? So let's see. Not bad whatsoever. Let's keep moving, y'all. Let's see. So we want these core black gum right here. So let's see Adidas right here. Let's go ahead and plug these in right up here. Boom. All right, let's see what we got. Okay, Adidas R1 sneakers. Do those match? I think they do. Okay, let's see. Yeah, 110 right here. This is going to be close. I don't know if it's quite going to be good. Let's see, size 13. Okay, so the rank is 4.62 million. So we're not, or 4.4267 million. So very, very high. You want to stay below like 150,000 sales rank. So that's not good. All right, let's find one more winning SKU right here. Let's see. Yes, for Terex. Let's see. See what we got right here. Okay, $80 right here. So we're going to be close, y'all. Okay, let's see. Promo codes will not be applied to this product. So, I knew we'd find one here. So that's not good, unfortunately. Let's see what else we got here. What else looks? Oh, these guys look cheap. Yeah, too. Sub 60. Or yeah, because 80 minus 30 here. Let's see, like these guys. Adidas black golds here. Ooh, these are out of stock. Okay, let's see. Size 13 here. Adidas. Let's see. I got the navy ones too here. Let's see. Let's plug these guys in. Yeah, these guys look good. They just, in general, look like a nice shoe. You can use a feel, and you'll get a pretty good sense of, whether or not stuff's going to be good here over time. Let's see. So we want, what color scheme is this? Cloud white, core black, cloud white. Okay. And this is the name of the game on all your favorite websites. Like, you just run this play in terms of, opening up stuff you could see doing well, So let's see. It doesn't look like those guys are good here. Let's see. Audi stages. Let's see, black, white here as well. Let's see. Okay, yeah, here. Oh, these women's ones are very expensive. Interesting here. Let's see. And we got size 13 in stock. Let's see. So we're at 37. Okay. Yeah, check it out. Here we go. So let's see. Yeah, size 13. Right. Only 2 left in stock here. So we can see we plug in $20 right here. Take off 30%. Right there ends up being 14 into 38, $10 profit. We could also pad our stats with a discounted gift card too here, make this even better. Then we want to go ahead and take a look down here at this chart and make sure it's actually sells up here, which we can see offer count is nicely trending down right there. That's totally good. Price nicely trending stable, and then definitely headed up right here as well, which is a good sign too. Might be able to sneak out 39 or 40 as well in a SKU like this. It's very FBM dominated too, so we'd probably be able to price higher in this FBA if you were to go that route. And this is exactly how you want to be executing Father's Day sales and really any holidays with 4th of July coming up, July Prime Day coming up, just doing manual sourcing on your favorite websites, going to the sales section, finding items that have, coupon relevancy that coupons work on, referencing over to Amazon on listings you could see selling for double or more, and then plugging the numbers in on SellerAmp, making sure they're profitable and making sure they sell quick, taking a look at the charts as well. That's the name of the game with online arbitrage, y'all. Hope this video was helpful, guys. If you have any questions, let us know down below in the comments. Make sure to get a free trial on our website, SellerAmp.com, and we'll see you guys in the next one.